In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on ILV future while examining the Illuvium cost estimate for 2023 and past and in every way that really matters, huge way. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and some other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything certainly is an unpleasant undertaking, essentially not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Illuvium. Presently, we should head into it, or so they thought. Before we dig sort of profound into the Illuvium value expectation and answer questions in the event that ILV is a very wise speculation or not. For what reason will ILV generally succeed or really come up short, or for what reason will Illuvium value rise or drop? We should rapidly, in every practical sense, toss a look at what ILV fundamentally is and its to-date history amazingly. ILV value expectation for the following 10 days, which by and large is very huge. The especially entire crypto world truly is on an edge of a for the most part total breakdown in a significant manner. Bitcoin for the most part has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed by and large high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs in a genuinely huge manner. At the point when add the latest implosions of gigantic industry players into the situation, the horizon essentially is dim and there will truly be somewhat more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers truly are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional especially steady business sectors, which really is genuinely huge. Crypto generally is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous for the most part play and subsequently the offer-off, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Our algo still sees a some very green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This most certainly is in every practical sense reflected in our 2023 expectations, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. At the present time, Bitcoin especially needs to find a base before we can move in the especially inverse bearing and essentially alter the course in a genuinely significant manner. Our cost expectation model in every practical sense is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 incredibly. We especially expect whales and other greater players in the market to sort of wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike, which really is very critical. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each task in a significant manner. Basics that we in every practical sense assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative by and large potential, and a few especially other exceptionally restrictive variables created in our crypto lab in an unpretentious way. 2023-01 26 $1.04% $55 59 2023 01 27 plus 7.10% $60 17 2023 01 28 1.17% $55 52 2023 01 29 plus 2.86% $57 79 2023 01 303.64% $54 14 2023 01 31 plus 3.78% $58 31 2023 02 01 4.59% $53 60 2023 02 02 2.26% $54 91 2023 02 03 1.29% $55.46 Illuvium value expectation 2023 high expansion and very risky full-scale circumstance basically considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. Or so they thought. At the point when we really take the inside crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will presumably see a ton of especially exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip for the most part lower with every minor market quake, which is genuinely huge. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds appropriately, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Feb 11.30% $49.83. 2023 Blemish 28.30% $40.28. 2023 APR 24.7% $42.60. 2023 May 15.82% $47.29. 2023 Jun 5.90% $52.86. 2023 Joel 0.86% 13.99%, $55.63. 2023 AUG plus 13.05%, $63.51. 2023 SEP plus 14.27%, $64.20. 2023 OCT plus 30.85%, $73.51. 2023 NAV plus 31.46%, $73.85. 2023 DEC plus 38.58%, $77.85. 2024 JAN plus 53.00%, $85.96. ILV value expectation 2025, which generally is very huge. Our forecast model sees ILV coming to $141.86 in 2025. What will ILV for the most part be by and large worth in 5 years? Kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The cost of ILV in 5 years could by and large lie around $131.51. Illuvium value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Illuvium will be extremely worth in 2030 in a sort of enormous manner. Our estimating model sees Illuvium coming to $354.64 in 2030 in a huge manner. What Illuvium will in a real sense be truly worth in 2040, which generally is genuinely critical. Our gauging model sees Illuvium coming to $709.28 in 2040 in a huge manner. Will Illuvium for the most part supplant, for the most part outperform, sort of overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Illuvium won't supplant or certainly overwhelm BTC in an exceptionally large manner. Is Illuvium worth purchasing? We explicitly are backers of decently dangerous financial planning. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a container of genuinely large cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with tremendous potential gain. Thus, in this specific circumstance, Illuvium is most certainly worth purchasing, or so they especially thought. Is Illuvium a wise venture, which is very critical? Illuvium is, very much like all genuinely other digital forms of money, a dangerous venture, which is genuinely critical. It really does by and large have higher likelihood of going up than down in view of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and in every practical sense, strong group behind it, or so they sort of thought. How especially much will Illuvium generally be worth? In every practical sense, long haul, it could leap to $354.64 or significantly higher, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. For what reason will Illuvium by and large succeed and for the most part become more expensive? Illuvium has a kind of good use case, very much planned tokenomics, most certainly dynamic local area, and a very strong group behind it in a by and large significant manner. These especially are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Illuvium ascending to $354.64 in 2030 in a kind of enormous manner. For what reason will Illuvium generally fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects for the most part fizzle in light of multiple factors amazingly. The absolute without a doubt normal ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the venture, controllers essentially proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, sort of additional fruitful contenders,